to my YouTube channel. Today, we're going to make Rasgulla, a famous Indian sweet, made with just 3 ingredients. So let's begin. In a saucepan, bring 5 cups of milk to a boil. My milk has almost come to a boil, and I am now going to add the juice of half a lemon. This should start curdling the milk. As you can see, our milk solids have separated perfectly. Here I'm going to strain it on a cheesecloth with a colander. Add 2 glasses of fresh water to wash out the sourness. Knead your milk curds into a smooth dough. As you can see, our dough has become a nice, perfect, smooth ball. Make your ball into a nice cylindrical shape. Make 16 portions of this cylinder. About 22 balls, and while our sugar syrup is getting ready, we're going to cover it with a plate. To make our sugar syrup, we're going to have 1 cup of sugar in a pot with 5 cups of water. And we're going to bring this to a boil. My sugar syrup is boiling. And now I'm going to take off the lid and add 7 balls gently. I have an ice bath here, and I'm going to then add my balls in there. And we're going to let them sit there. I have cooled down my sugar syrup completely, and now I'm going to transfer my Rasgulla balls into them. Refrigerate your Rasgulla balls for about an hour. My Rasgullas have been sitting in the fridge for over an hour, and now it is ready to eat. So there you have it. Our famous Rasgullas are ready. They just melt in your mouth. The traditional spongy, delicious dessert is everyone's favorite. I love it very much and can't wait for you guys to try it. If you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notifications so you know when I post another video. Also comment any dishes you guys want me to make. See you next time.